Hello guys, now we are in the product section. In this section you can add products to existing subscription plan right from here. Just click on the add new button. The pop-up window will appear on the screen like this, and then browse the product and link it to the specific subscription plan by choosing it from the list. So I will choose the Wildberry and link it to the tea plan. Just hit save button for the changes to take effect. From the action, you can delete or remove the product from the specific subscription plan. You can also preview the subscription widget on the specific product page with the order frequencies assigned. Here we have the subscription widget along with the variant and the frequencies here. Alright. The plan name column indicates the subscription plan the product associated with. Subscription column displays the number of products ordered under each subscription plan and also total amount of the sales generated by each subscription product. That's all guys in the products. Thank you so much.